The excitement of leaving Egypt is fading, and now everyone is starting to feel how far this journey really is. Standing here, surrounded by these cliffs, it's impossible not to wonder how an entire nation is managing to move together. People are still hopeful, but now I can hear something else in their voices. They're beginning to realize how much they're risking.
Nobody is turning back. That's what surprises me most. No matter how hard this becomes, they keep moving.
Something feels different out here now. I can't explain it yet, but it feels like we're getting closer to something important. The farther we go, the less this feels like an escape, and the more it feels like a test. After days of dust and heat, even a small pool of water feels like a miracle. Every time I think I've seen the full scale of this journey, I realize I was only seeing a small part of it. History books talk about nations and miracles, but standing here tonight, all I can see are families trying to build a future. After all these days in the desert, I think we're finally seeing our destination. For the first time since leaving Egypt, people aren't talking about what they lost. They're talking about the future. You can actually feel the tension disappearing. For the first time since I arrived, this feels less like a refugee camp and more like the beginning of a new life. Many of these people never thought they would live to see this day. You can hear it in every conversation. If I didn't know what was coming, I would believe the journey was finally over. Tonight, everyone believes they're safe. Tonight, everyone believes the worst is behind them. The camp still feels peaceful. But those guards haven't taken their eyes off the desert all morning. I can barely see it, but there is definitely something out there. Most people are pretending everything is normal, but the conversations have changed. Something just changed. Those men look like they've seen something they weren't expecting. Yesterday, everyone was celebrating. Tonight, it feels like people are waiting for bad news. Nobody is saying the same thing, but everyone seems to be talking about the same rumor. Whatever those scouts reported, the leaders are taking it seriously. Yesterday, that dust looked small. Today, it's impossible to ignore.
People are starting to prepare for something. And the worst part is that nobody seems to know exactly what.
For the first time since arriving here, I'm starting to understand why people are afraid.
They're not debating anymore. Whatever is coming, everyone up here believes it's real.
Those aren't rocks. And they aren't travelers.
A few hours ago, this place felt permanent. Now everyone is acting like they might have to leave at any moment.
Whatever is out there isn't wandering. It's moving in formation. Nobody wants to say it, but I think they already know who's coming.
The fear is moving faster than the facts now! A few days ago, these women were celebrating freedom. Now they're holding their children as if they might lose them.
This doesn't feel like a camp anymore. It feels like people preparing themselves for the worst.
I've never seen fear spread through so many people this quickly. Nobody is talking about freedom anymore. They're only talking about survival.
The army hasn't even arrived yet, and these people already feel trapped. The children can feel it too. They don't understand what's happening, but they know something is terribly wrong. Every family is trying to stay together.
Nobody wants to be separated tonight. These children survived slavery. And now they think they're about to face another nightmare.
The fear has become something deeper now. Many people feel betrayed. Everyone was arguing a moment ago. Now they're watching him. He's not running. He's not hiding. He's walking straight into the fear. A few hours ago, everyone was talking about Egypt. Now, everyone is talking about Moses. Nobody knows what he's going to say, but everyone needs to hear something. He's telling them not to be afraid.
I don't understand how, but for the first time since the panic began, people are starting to believe again.
Something is happening. Everyone is watching. For the first time, it feels like something extraordinary is about to happen. Nobody is arguing anymore. A few hours ago, people believed they had been abandoned. Tonight, they feel seen. The fear isn't gone. But now, everyone is waiting for what comes next. The wind is getting stronger. He's gone to the water. Nobody is leaving. Nobody is sleeping. Everyone is watching. The wind has been building for hours now, and nobody is leaving. Something is happening to the sea. There is a path appearing where there should be water. The people who were crying yesterday are running toward the sea tonight. The sea. The sea is open.
I am standing inside a miracle.
The path is open, but nobody expected it to actually happen. Someone just took the first step.
The water is standing higher than any building I've ever seen.
The entire nation is entering the sea. No matter where I look, there are people walking between walls of water. The miracle has opened a path, but the army is still out there.
They're making it across.
The wind hasn't stopped for hours.
This doesn't feel like an ordinary desert wind anymore.
Whatever is happening, it's affecting everything.
The sea keeps changing.
Even the ground feels different now.
The wind isn't just moving the sand anymore. The sand is shaking. The sea is moving.
sea is splitting. Everything is about to change. I never thought I would see something like this. The path is open. But nobody knows what it feels like to walk into a sea. He's going in! The first families are following him. You can see the ocean beside you and above you. The children are no longer afraid. An entire nation is walking through the middle of the sea. Some of them are finally safe. They're here. The Egyptians found the path. They're actually riding into it! The race isn't over yet. They think they've won. They think they've won. The army is slowing down. The army is slowing down. The walls are moving. Everyone is across. It's over. They're free. But it still doesn't feel real. This morning belongs to gratitude. The crossing ended. The journey begins. One night changed history forever. For the first time, they're making plans for tomorrow. Freedom has a cost. Now comes the road. I witnessed the night the sea opened. I witnessed the morning a nation was born. The fear that ruled their lives is finally behind them. History isn't stopping here. The evidence fades. The story remains. Generations from now, people will still talk about this day. I traveled back to witness the parting of the sea. What I found was courage, faith, fear, hope, and With every step, Egypt feels farther away. The sea is behind us. The wilderness is ahead. From up here, they look small, but history is moving below. If you arrived now, you would never know what happened here. The sea opened for one night. The story that followed would last forever. They don't know it yet, but the world will remember this journey. The miracle was behind him. The mission was ahead. One person can witness history. A nation can create it. Some moments belong to the past. Some moments shape the future. I came to see the sea open. I stayed long enough to watch a people become free.